Electrical issues caused by worn or damaged connectors can be frustrating and unsafe, especially when they affect critical systems like turn signals. The SMP S-682 Standard Pigtail is designed as a dependable replacement solution that helps restore proper electrical connections quickly and effectively. Built with precision and consistency, this pigtail is ideal for addressing common wiring problems without the need for costly or time-consuming repairs. Manufactured with quality materials and careful attention to detail, this pigtail is engineered to provide a secure and stable connection once installed. It fits a wide range of Ford vehicles across multiple model years, making it a practical option for both professional technicians and hands-on vehicle owners. All application references are provided strictly to help identify compatibility and ensure the correct fit for your specific vehicle. With compact and manageable packaging, this product is easy to store, transport, and handle during installation. The package measures approximately 1.94 inches in height, 5.91 inches in length, and 3.62 inches in width, allowing for convenient use in workshop or garage environments. The country of origin is China, and the part is produced to meet consistent manufacturing standards. Customers appreciate this pigtail as a reliable fix for long-standing electrical issues. When paired with a compatible lamp socket and proper connection methods, it can help restore full function and improve reliability. Many users recommend using heat shrink solder connectors to enhance water resistance and extend the lifespan of the repair, especially in exposed areas. If you are dealing with faulty wiring or a damaged connector and want a practical, cost-effective solution, the SMP S-682 Standard Pigtail is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and availability. Subscribe to the channel to discover more helpful automotive repair parts and solutions designed to keep your vehicle operating safely and reliably.